What's up, my YouTube friends? ¿Qué pasa? Hola todos. How are y'all? ¿Cómo están? Oh wow, you see all these big old... This is big fishing time right now for these pelicans. They diving in pretty hard. If I can catch one diving in for y'all. I can hear that one splash. Man, they're just hungry right now. There's a feeding frenzy going on. Man, I wonder if they're getting fish every time. They must be getting some small fish because they go right back in. Looks like I got some good shots. How y'all been? Y'all doing all right? Johnny V out here in Biloxi, Mississippi, where they had that Hurricane Delta was supposed to be coming close or threatening us. But I don't see, I mean, it's just a little bit windy. I don't see any tidal surge or anything. It's pretty windy though. That's about all I can tell you right now. The water level's not up, and those pelicans are still diving into the water. Are they still hungry? How much can they eat? Oh, that was good. I don't know if I got that one on video, but they're really slamming into the water hard. See if I can get any of them close over here. These birds are huge. Alright, I got a couple of them. Hoping the video came out good. How y'all been? Y'all doing alright? I mean, you don't see, I mean, you see them do that, but not so often and so repetitive. So over and over, they just keep diving into the water. They must be really hungry. And I think they're getting fish every time. And they must be getting some small fish. What y'all been up to? How y'all days going? How is y'all's days going? That sounds like good English, huh? How am I gonna learn how to speak another language when I can't even speak English? I don't know. It's gonna be difficult to speak another language when I can't even speak English. Maybe I should have paid attention in school. I'm trying to learn Spanish right now. That's why I said hola todos, como están, haciendo. I think that's correct. Wow, there's plenty pelicans out this way. They're making a lot of splashing. I just want to do a quick video, say what's up, guys. We're doing all right from the hurricane. I know a lot of y'all worried about me, worried about the area. I don't know if you're worried about me so much as the area. But yeah, everything looks fine here. Everything's just a normal day. Kids went to school. Everybody's going to work. In Metairie a couple days ago, which is right outside of New Orleans, my gym sent me an email saying they were going to be closed Thursday, which was yesterday. Man, I'm just thinking to myself, man, they just looking for any excuse to not be open. I mean, they've been riding this Corona excuse for I don't know how long, over 6 months now. And I mean, I know it's serious. I mean, I know it's not totally an excuse, but I think some businesses really take advantage of this Corona excuse to make, oh, the reason we're delayed is because of Corona. The reason this is because of Corona. I mean, they just pulling that out of their, you know what? Anytime something goes wrong, oh, it's because of Corona. Yeah, I don't know about all that. I think they're just using it as an excuse. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video, say what's up. Getting a little exercise out here on the back bay. This is not the beach, this is the back bay. Back bay of Biloxi, semi-protected by the hurricanes. Wow, they're just going in one after the other. I don't know if you can get that on video, but there's a splash after splash, 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 splash. How much fish is there in there? How much fish is in that water? They sure making a good meal out of this. They must have 30, 40 pelicans out here. Oh, that one just did a straight. They do a fast dive. They do a face plant into the water. I guess they open their mouth real big and grab a fish. I wish I can get one grabbing a fish. Man, I got a bunch of them on video just now. Alright guys, that's enough of this, I guess. Remember, if you like my videos, click the thumbs up icon, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and all that good stuff. And I'll see y'all next time. It's Johnny V from Biloxi, Mississippi. Peace.